at some set notation. So when we're looking at a set, we have the curved brackets, we have numbers listed, and we can then answer some questions about it. And these are the two main ones that we look at, is the what we call the union for this one, and the overlap or the intersection for, I like to call them like a tunnel and a U shape. I guess I've heard students refer to the U looking like a net, so it's gathering everything together. And this one is like that is closing it off, I guess. So we're looking at the overlap. So when we see A intersect B, we are looking at what are the elements or the numbers that are common to both A and B. So looking along the set, we've got a 7 and 11 that they have in common. And so we write that with our curved brackets there. For the union of A and B, it's everything that's in A and B. So you might also see this called A and B when you're looking at probability, and A or B when you're looking at probability. So you'll see that that vocabulary used as well. So for A or B, we've got the 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. And so the 7 and 11 come from there. We've got the 15, and then we continue on with the 25, 30, 32 to finish off that set. If we were looking at that in terms of a Venn diagram, we would have our A, our B. The overlap, the 7, 11, goes in the intersection there, or the overlap between the two circles. Then we would have the 1, 2, 3, 5, and 15 in that side. And then we would have from B the 25, 30, 32 there. Then we're able to do a lot more with that. So you might see the notation like not A, so anything that's not in the A circle, the not B, and combinations of that as well.